Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. So today guys I want to share a video with you on how I'm going to be using the Karcher steamer on the car and also in the house. I got it for 100 euros discounted, so it was quite cheap, so I've decided to test it out and I'm going to be using it for car detailing, specifically more for car interiors, but I'm also going to be using it in the house because it's very convenient for certain jobs in the house as well. So this is a very simple machine. Basically what you need to do is fill up the tank, which is a 1 liter capacity tank. There's no on and off switch, you just plug it in and it will start doing its job and it will start boiling up the water for us. There are all the attachments that come with the steamer. These are mainly for the floor, and you also got these attachments that I put in the back. There's 3 of them, and it's quite convenient to store them in back here. But today mainly I will be using these 2, but I'm also going to show you how I use it on the floor. So there's this thread that you unscrew, and you will be able to unscrew it, but as soon as the boiler gets hot it locks in and you'll have to wait until the steamer cools down in order to undo it again. So all I'll be using here is distilled water. It's the best water to use so you can avoid lime scale build up in the steamer. However, it is said in the instructions you can also use it as you can use the tap water in here as well. We're gonna fill it up. There is a 1 liter capacity tank. You can measure it, but I just eyeball it myself. That's it. That's about it. The tank is nearly full. So now I'm going to plug it into the socket, and as you can see the green power light is on and this orange light is on as well, which means the water is now being heated up and it will turn into steam, and it takes about 8 minutes to boil the water up. And this attachment here, we're going to prep it while the boiler or the steamer is getting ready. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the car carpet first, then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the interior of the car. Also I'm going to do the exterior of the car. I played around with it a little bit, and I'm going to comment on that as well. So worth mentioning, it has these wheels here and 1 wheel in the front here too, so you can push it around and it's quite comfortable to use. I'm going to use their cloth here. As you can see, I already used it before, so we're going to put this on this attachment here. Here we go. On this carpet I'm going to use a chemical here. You can use the steamer with a little bit of chemical. It will just makes the cleaning process a bit more effective. These carpets are not dirty at all, but I just want to refresh them a little bit from time to time. I'm going to take the Turtle Waxes shampoo, which is also suitable for fabrics. Spray this on, let it soak a little bit, and we're going to agitate it with the cloth attachment and we're going to introduce steam as well. Also worth mentioning, the manufacturer suggests that you can use it, I think it says about 20 minutes continuously, and I think that's more than enough to do, well, maybe all the interior if you can, if it's a smaller car and you have fabrics in it. I can do the whole house probably with 2/3 of a tank. I mean, cleaning the floors and whatnot. So it's quite effective in using the water inside the tank and turn it into steam. You get a lot of steam. So you get this trigger here where you adjust, you can lock the handle. It's like a child safety feature, and steam won't go out. And you have two steam adjustments. One is like a full blast, it gives you the most steam it can, and this is like something in the middle, which I use most of the time. I don't really need that much steam. So, and also I have this floor cleaning attachment. However, mine doesn't come with a sticky kind of cloth which you just stick to the attachment. This one comes with these what's it called? I will call them grabbers. So you have to pull them in. You can undo them like this, pull the cloth in, and then what you do is you lock it in and it sits there tightly. Then you do the other side as well, put it in. It's not a very big issue. It's a bit wobbly, but you know, you put it in, you lock it in, and it holds on like that. But it still works. So now our indicator is green. We're ready to use it. It throws a bit of water at the beginning. So I'm going to use the middle setting here, or setting number 1, let's call it. And here we go. The steam is coming out. So now let's clean the carpet. I'm gonna wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. So now the carpet is just a bit damp, but I've noticed after steaming, it doesn't take it a lot to dry. It's not like you're doing like a wet extraction. It dries out very quick. Probably in this temperature, which is about 20 degrees in the room, it'll probably dry somewhere. It'll be fully dry in about 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do the floor. We're gonna take these two attachments, connect them. Very easy to connect everything here, and it's very it's good quality plastics. This steam cleaner has. And plug the handle in.
There's no doubt that it is a very effective floor cleaner. The floor comes out very clean, and also they say that it kills bacteria. I do believe it does with its temperature. Will it kill them 100%? Probably not, but anyway, the floor comes out very clean. Also, I use it on the sofa from time to time to keep the sofa nice and fresh. So let's jump into the exterior wash of the car. I will treat it as a waterless / rinseless wash. Basically, you just steam up the dirty panel. And this car isn't dirty by any means. It's just slightly dusty and has some bird poo. I managed to knock out some of that dirt poo. Some of it didn't go off as easy as you can see. But I won't be using this as a exterior wash method at all. Maybe sometimes for some certain areas like the seals. But what I do want to highlight is the window cleaning. It does an exceptional job. It cleans the windows really well, and it also details the windows really well. If you're using the light cloth to wipe it down, the windows come out very clean. And the most important thing, streak free. Now let's jump into the car interior cleaning. Well, there are a few areas that I will not use the steamer is leather and coated plastic material, which is very sensitive to temperature. However, on the fabrics, it seems to do a very good job without damaging it. Also, you may use it for like blowing off certain tight areas, which are not sensitive to high temperatures, but does a very good job on refreshing the fabrics on the car, as you can see. And you got plenty of steam here to do the whole car if you need to as well. And you probably seen other detailers use this steam to blow out tighter areas. Well, I wouldn't use it on the center console, I will tell you that. I will use compressed air and chemicals in combination with a microfiber cloth and soft brushes.
So guys, what can I say about this device? For car use, maybe if you're a professional, obviously you might not want to pick this kind of device. It's too small if you're doing bigger jobs. But for me, personally for my car and the volume of cars that I detail personally, this is more than enough. So it's kind of good for the household. It's a great tool to have to clean like carpets, fabrics, sofas, and all that. So I found this Kärcher K2 quite handy for the price that I bought it. It's a good tool to begin to learn steam cleaning. And it's very, very simple and nice to use. So I would definitely recommend it for actually both cars and household. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.